Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get BSC wallet address on Binance. Make sure to watch the video carefully and follow the steps. First, open the Binance app on your device. On the home screen, locate and tap on the Assets section, which is positioned at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in the Assets section, tap on Deposit. Now, you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For example, if you want to deposit USDT, simply search for USDT in the search bar and select it from the list. After selecting the coin, you will see a list of available networks. Look for the BNB Smart Chain option, also known as the BSC network, and tap on it. Once you select the BSC network, your BSC wallet address will be displayed. You can now copy this address by tapping on the copy button or scan the QR code to share it more easily. That's how you get BSC wallet address on Binance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.